Did you know that every municipal corporation in Jamaica is assigned a disaster coordinator? A disaster coordinator manages local awareness, prevention, and response efforts. They also create emergency plans following the guidelines of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM. Here's a list of all disaster coordinators and their contact information so you and others can stay safe as we continue to monitor weather conditions. Portmore residents, contact Miss Nordia Campbell at 876-878-5779. St. Catherine residents, contact Mrs. Yashika Jatton Thompson at 876-588-8682. St. Thomas residents, contact Mrs. Martina Medley Good at 876-396-9818. Hanover residents, contact Miss Anissa Spence at 876-564-0917. St. James residents, contact Mr. Ricardo Miller at 876-952-5500. Trelawney residents, contact Mrs. Dion Hilton Lewis at 876-843-0125. Westmoreland residents, contact Mrs. Marcine Campbell Carr at 876-296-0129. Portland residents, contact Mrs. Denise Lewis at 876-837-1986. St. Anne residents, contact Mr. Alvin Clark at 876-401-9866. St. Mary residents, contact Mr. Adrian Tate at 876-577-8307. Clarendon residents, contact Miss Stacy Ann Henningham at 876-853-1407. Manchester residents, contact Mr. Kevin Lewis at 876-503-2852. St. Elizabeth residents, contact Miss Nordia Campbell at 876-570-6269. Kingston and St. Andrew residents, contact Miss Terry Forrester at 876-456-1183.